Yeah, what's cracking? Literally, what's cracking? Let me stop. How y'all doing? How you feeling? I know. What else? There's only like 4 questions in rotation during quarantine, right? That's what Tata said to me the other day. I was dying, and it's a fact. What is it? How you doing? What you been up to? How you feeling? Like, it's just the same. What? When we all know what we doing. Staying alive. Trying to stay alive. Okay? Period. This is today's look. How do we like it? Yo, nothing betrays you more than your hair on your lip gloss. Anyway, girls, what was I saying? I did the watercolor method and I showed you exactly how I did it, start to finish. Everything is included in this except for how I did my curls. Just figured that, y'all know how I curl my hair already. I figured just wanted to see what time it was, you know? But yeah, so enjoy. Tell me what you think. And that's all I have. Girl, I'm hungry. Okay, so I'm in my bed today. Change a little scenery only because I'm about to, I don't know how I'm gonna film today's video, so we learn it together. I think I'm gonna film me dyeing the hair over here, so I'm over here. Whatever, mind your business. Today, we're gonna do it ourselves. Megalookhair, they're sponsoring the girls. I don't know how to open. I just want to start there. Oh, it's like magnetized. Crying. Okay, so let's see what goodies I got inside. It's looking lush. It's looking lush, girls. It's looking up. Wig caps, period, because you know a girl can't go to the stove. Some bobby pins. What, edge scarf I think this is? Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. She look like a pretzel. Who is she? Y'all know who she is? Who is she? Who is this girl? I don't. Who want that? I'll give it to you. Send me your address. Ooh, a pit. And this one's purple, matte purple. Cool, thanks. Exactly. Oh my God, some tweezers to pluck the frontal. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, what's this? Is this like a hair bow? Like a bedazzled hair bow? It's a bracelet? Who is it? I never thought I missed beauty supply. Looking at the beauty supply jewelry. Oh, I miss the beauty supply store so much. Open them up. I think it's a hair tie. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna tweak it. You know how I do. I'm gonna do my investigating type time. Thank you. Oh, it's Christmas, girls. Y'all ain't saying nothing but a word, Negro. What's this? Is it a bracelet? I don't know who she is, girl, but it's Christmas. It's my birthday. Sorry. What's this? Oh, a hair wax stick. Needed that. Needed that bad, baby. Needed that on Easter. And last but not least, the hair. All inside the bottom of the box it says Megalook wants to let every woman who uses our products feel more proud of herself. That's today's theme because I'm about to feel proud of myself if I do everything myself today. Cut the lace, dye the hair, pluck it decently. Oh my God, I can't believe we're doing a lot together. Oh, she's full. She's not, she don't look skimpy to me, ski. No ma'am. It already has all the combs. I wish, however, I got a band. I don't have a band. I don't have any bands, I don't think. So I don't know how this is going to work for me because I have a smaller head, so I'll be like an extra band support. We're gonna make it work. I'm just so grateful that this wig isn't like thin and skimp and I can see the tracks right through it, you know? Cute. Lace is in like a heavy ass lace. She's cute. She said, Bob, I don't want to hear nothing from nobody. Period. Facts. Don't want to hear it. I did it. Well, I'm going to do it. Stay tuned. Alright, so boom. This is where the water's at. It's a lot of water. I just figured more before I get tight and I gotta make more water, you feel me? But I think this is a good enough place to get the water in there because one, I don't want it to melt the plastic. I ain't really like science, but I feel like that when, you know, if it's bubbling, it's melting. Something, I don't know. Don't quote me. Also, it's hot as hell. So you know, I gotta think about putting it in that, you know, so like I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. Hopefully this is enough. But my intuition is telling me I'm alright. If it ain't alright, I'm blaming y'all. And that's not okay. Got me a little tripod going on. Don't test me, bitch. Okay, so what am I doing? Oh, turn up the water. I need like oven mitts. Who could tell I don't be in the kitchen? God got it heavy, you see? Jesus Christ. Boy! Boy! I'm so dramatic. Ooh, that bitch look hot, girl. I think that's enough. Yeah, so crazy. Look how mouth is steaming. It looked like I'm doing, what's that thing? Hibachi. This is how much water I put in. A little more than half. Put just about half. I was watching a few tutorials first to make sure I wasn't going crazy. And some people was putting Vaseline on the lace. Some people was putting got to be on the lace before putting it on. And I'm just like, I'm about to do some trial and error. Either way, it's gonna be a bottom, it's gonna be blue. So it's gonna have to do what it do, period. They was like I needed to have a whisk. I can't find no whisk. So I'm gonna just use a pick because it has whisk like, you know, whatever. Girl. Do not open this with your mouth. My bin of choice is a little deceptive because it's black or smoke gray, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So yeah. And I'm gonna just put the whole bottle in because did we come to play? No. Sure didn't. It looked purple a little bit. Oh, the water hot, son. Hot as fuck. I'd shower in this though. Ah, it's hot. It's hot. Yeah, okay, what's up, y'all? Let me go ahead and go over what we doing and why we touching it like this and all that in between. So boom, you see I lightly start with the bottom and I don't go all the way to the top yet because I wanted more like of a gradient effect to look like I'm doing highlights. So I realized that I needed like a comb, which is what me get, and that's gonna comb through and help it make it look more, you know, streaky, if that makes sense. I bet. Now that she's all combed out, you're gonna want to spread her out in the middle to make sure we're not missing nobody, you know, nobody hiding behind nothing, you know. Come on out, girl. Then you just sink her in, you know, make sure she got a 360, make sure she's all wet, we don't nobody left behind, full dunkaroo. Let it sit, check on it. The comb through, you heard? Let's go. We don't want any, we don't know patchy business going on. All right, you see that right there? You see that? You see how that was moving? That's why we gotta comb it out. Well, that's why I'ma comb it out. That's why mine looked the way it did. I'm just saying. Follow me. God, I don't know what's wrong with me, but eventually I realized that pick had too much width in between it, so I went back with the comb, the fine tooth comb. So I would definitely recommend that. Dunk it right back in because we just want to make sure there's an even spread going around. You feel me? Y'all don't mind me. Y'all know I gotta do it for the gram. I had to give a little preview to the girls, let them know I was working and working hard. You were, so don't mind my little artistry project, Aroni. Anyway, on a more serious note, so obviously every time I dunk it, I go back in with the cone to make sure she's valid. I'm checking in between the streaks, and I'm realizing up top it's a little bit more ice blue, which I didn't actually mind, but I knew the other side didn't have that. And if I continue to just keep dunking it, I don't think the hair was gonna be receptive. So I went and got a little bit more of the hair dye because I didn't want the top to be super purple. I wanted it to be blue, but I realized that I didn't dunk the frontal in as much. So now I'm going in frontal first because I wanted to get a little bit more even, but I'm not gonna keep it down as long as I did for the ends. Just a quick little dab to, you feel me? Then I'm gonna probably comb through it some more, make sure she know me. I bet, stick with me. So at this point, I realized that I'm just gonna keep the ends dipped in, and I'm gonna use a dye and then comb the top, use a dye and then comb the top. Oh my God, son, who's calling me? Alright, so boom, you can definitely use whatever conditioner you like, okay? I put the conditioner in to sort of co-wash the hair, make it a little bit softer in general, maybe see if I wanted to lighten up the hair. I was making sure that the hair did not look like my purple hair, no shade. But I did like that the tips did come out darker than the top, and I was just showing you right there. It came out pretty though, right? So cute. Wring her out. She doesn't really bleed. The watercolor method is super, super effective. Like, look at the paper towel. Ain't none on that girl. Nothing. Watch this. Magic. Alright, ladies, it's grind time. Get your wig cap, get your tweezers, get them pins. So we're gonna part a little bit before the perimeter, you see? Before the frontal perimeter, and we're gonna push it back, and then we just gonna get to plucking, okay? It's a long, tedious task. There's no way around to explain how long this should take. The longer you take, the better it looks, but be sure to spread it out, you feel me? Don't oversaturate, overwork one area. Keep going back and forth, and every time you tweeze, you use the comb to get all the excess strands out so they're not in the way. But this clip is way longer than I got. Put on a nice little playlist, you know how I be, but I just wanted it to not look as hefty and thick at the top, so when I do slick it up or slick it back, it doesn't have that super big old hump that everybody can tell, like, girl, that's a wig. So I'm just gonna loosen her up, get her to meet her neighbors, you feel me? And that's it. Okay, babes, just make sure we're doing this while the hair is damp. After you've dried it a bit, it's easier that way. But I will say, after I finished to my liking, to what I could take, I realized that I didn't tint the tracks themselves, so they appeared white still. I really didn't know how to fix that, so I just got some tint for the lace and just hope for the best for everything else. But I just got some black hair dye, put some conditioner in the spray bottle and let it rip. But throughout the video, you'll still see the fact that those tracks were white, but I got some like foundation powder that had just came in the mail from Sephora that day by God himself. Don't know how, but I'm gonna show it to y'all in a second. But yeah, I can't fix the fact those tracks were white. That's the only con I have about this unit. I didn't mention that the wig, like, cap itself, like, it fits super, super, super nice. Like, look how the hair came out. It's so full. It looks like it's not even glued down yet. It's so full. The only con was them white tracks. Who knows that girl? But look at the curls. Mad popping, right? You just did every other curl reversed. That's it. That's the only thing I did. Thumbing through the back end, don't it? Yeah, she ride deep. Yeah, goddamn pony. Okay, it's 2 days later, and I'm realizing in order to get the tracks from being white, I just had to put dye on them also. So that's a fix for you guys. I'm gonna do it in my next video when I do the hair. Style it differently, but just know, excuse the eyesore. By the next time we meet her, she gonna be ready to go to school, ready to go to work. She gonna be clocking in on time. Don't worry, she was 5 minutes late. That's it. Don't clock her for it, all right? She good. All right, one more thing before I cut out of here and let y'all look at how damn soft this hair is. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 hair quality for me. It's straight hair, and I still got it to have Shirley Temple bouncy curls. Like, look at that. All of this from hot water. from the kitchen. All right, looks mad good. I would definitely recommend this hair if you're looking to elevate your look during quarantine. I used a bottle and a half of Adora indigo blue dye. You can get it off of Amazon, so you still stay safe and 6 feet apart. All right, till next time, enjoy me looking cute.
All of my money's in yen. All of my work is selling. Thank you, please come again.
Yeah, so don't play with the girls. Did I not eat this alive? Oh my God, I love talking hair. So I don't know if I should talk first, selfie first, change my hair first, but let's go through the stats first, okay? Oh girl, this is straight hair. I got straight hair to move like this. And I kind of knew, cause when the hair was wet, it didn't have no curl. Even when it was sent to me, when you saw me take it out the box, it didn't have no curl to it. So I should have known. I should have known. I'm gonna probably do a tutorial for like the swoop, and I'm gonna try to do the flip next. But yeah, so this is Megalookhair. It is 12 inches, full SF. Don't mind this band-aid. I woke up with a cut on my finger, who knows from where. Before I try to see if I want to do her half up, half down, I just wanted you guys to see. She's a cutie. I wouldn't expect, or you shouldn't expect, the hair to stay curly all the time because, or the curls last all damn day because it's a straight hair. I just so happen to freak her long enough. How we like it? Let's do half up, half down. No? Let me take a selfie first, yeah? Thank you. I don't know why you thought I wasn't gonna level some things up. I done did every hair flip I could possibly do. Let the curls fall a little bit, so when I do put her to one, I have no hair tie. Wow, 2 secs. Another one. Let me sit back. Another one. Period. Quarantine ain't got nothing on me. I feel like trading day. Quarantine ain't got nothing on me. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, we had fun. It didn't come out too bad, right? It came out decent. I like it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, we had fun. It didn't come out too bad, right? It came out decent. I like it. It's hitting. No one's to see it. No one is literally gonna see it but y'all. I haven't been outside. I've been to my front door to collect packages. That's about it. I miss putting on perfume for others to tell me I smell good. I miss people telling me I smell good. I'm about to tweet that. I want to tweet it, but I'm realizing people gonna think I mean deodorant. I'm about to get some wine. Make it real sexy for myself. Cause I'm scared to even, off topic, I'm scared to even like somebody cause I think it's boredom. Like it's not really, I feel like I think I'm tricking myself into just wanting to like somebody right now. Let me stop. Let me stop, girl. I like it, I like. Later.